the Citroen C4 diesel 1.6 on a 07 plate. Right, it's here somewhere. There it is. So this one looks like a 16-pin connector. So this one has an engine light, and we're going to read that. So right, so the engine light has stayed on. Device from launch, C reader 7. So with all that connected, so I'll choose the Diagnostic, OBD, and then just let it enter the system. Let's see if it's plugged in properly. Right, we'll start that again. Right, we'll put it on battery for now. Get out of all of this. Turn it off. And turn it back on. Oh, why is it open? Stupid car. Right, before anything else, just plug this in. Oh, on. God's sake! Oh. Right, we'll try another way. We're all connected in. Turn the engine on. Let's go to scan. Citroen. Manual. Engine system. Read that first. Right, let's just see if this works. Clear it. Yes. May take a bit of time for it to take off. Erase. Let's just see if it has erased. Yeah, this isn't going to raise that. There's too many faults, and they're all permanent anyway. But just in case, I'm going to try and clear them again, see if it does. No, it won't erase any data if anything's permanent fault. Let's just double check actually if I have got the right model. Yeah, C4 Citroen. It's not a Picasso. Ah, sod it. Well, let's take that out. Stop it from bleeping. And then now, if you turn the engine off first before disconnecting this. Next we will locate the fuses and the relays. So make your way to the passenger side and open the bonnet from there. Before we do, just in the glove box, there are some fuses here. So if you should ever need spares, there's a little symbol here to let you know there's fuses. So just pop that open. And there you go, there's your relays and fuses.